Hi everybody, my name's Matt Elliott. I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon today to show you one of my all-time favorite trailers. I've been selling trailers for 30 years. I own one from the same company because I love them so much. And this is one of my favorite designs because it's not big, but it's big inside. This is called the Arctic Fox North Fork Edition 25R. And there's a lot to talk about on this trailer. I'll try to keep it as quickly as I can, but I love them so much. So, I talk too much. Okay, first thing, we have a door with a friction hinge so that the wind can't blow it into the sidewall and damage it. That way I don't even need to have a little clip to keep them open. This just stays out of the way. Has the new kind of steps. These steps are fantastic, and they're a little better than the other ones because they've got a hydraulic lift assist. So when I put it up, it literally will just about lift itself. Okay, so now, the thing about this trailer that's interesting to me is that it's not very big. The overall length of this trailer is about 28, maybe a little bit under 28 feet long, which makes it great for almost any campground. But it feels very roomy and open inside, and one reason is because the bathroom is all the way in the back. It's not up here in the middle of the trailer. You ever walk into a trailer and it feels tight and congested? I'll bet you $1. The bathroom's right smack dab in the middle. So if I get an open trailer, I get one with a rear bath. Now they've got a skylight in here. They've got a really nice shower system. It's got a retractable shower curtain, which I like this a lot because have you ever taken a shower in a tight little shower and the shower curtain sticks to your body when you're trying to get washed? It's not very nice. This is great. It just doesn't do that. The other thing is, look at this massive wardrobe space back here. Of course, we've got these storage here, hanging storage here, storage down below, and medicine cabinet, counter space, shaker cabinets too. The cabinets are beautiful throughout this coach. You're going to see that. And then we have a solid surface countertop too, a Corian style countertop. Now, the other thing is, this has a much bigger refrigerator. You can see here we've got, it's called a 10 cubic foot fridge. Most trailers you look at have a 6 cubic foot fridge. So you can see this is almost double the amount of storage in your fridge. That's a big deal. We also have a gorgeous pantry here, and they really thought this through because you see all this shelving? This is all removable, it's all adjustable, and there's a hanger in here if I want to switch it over to hanging storage. Then I come to this magnificent galley. The chief complaint about a smaller trailer is, where's all the counter space? Where's the room for all my stuff? They've done a great job in this trailer. Look at all the counter space here. They've made sink covers that help my sink be counter space, and we have huge double stainless steel sinks. Now, you see the farm style sinks, they're very popular right now, but with this one I can wash and rinse, and I think that's a dynamite thing to be able to do. We've got the nice single faucet, you know, kind of squirter there. That's nice if people are getting out of line. Got beautiful cabinets here, and these are all, like I said, they're shaker style, solid wood. You know, this isn't a picture of wood on here, this is wood, and they do a really beautiful job. If we look over here, this dining area, now most of the time when you look at a dinette, there's posts right where your feet want to go, and you're kind of wrestling around to get in and out of here. This is on a Traveler. It's called a Dream Dinette, and this dinette will slide up and down, and I never have posts where my feet want to be. So it's easy to set up, it's comfortable to use. I have this same dinette in my Arctic Fox, and I absolutely love it. Now, one of the things people really like to have in a trailer is 2 easy chairs. It's kind of hard to come by unless you get a rear lounge trailer, and rear lounge trailers are nice, but they're usually too big. So with this one here, I've got this small trailer. I've got 2 nice easy chairs. These are removable. I can use this space for a lot of different things, but it's nice for a social area. And this is optional with a sofa with storage underneath. So if you have a preference, you get 2 chairs, or you can have a sofa here. Now, I mentioned how this trailer feels so big inside. One of the reasons is because we don't have a wall at the end of the bed. When I'm camping, I'm with people that we're family. I mean, we're friends and family. There's no need for me to be in a private bedroom area when I'm camping with my wife. We don't need that wall at the end of our bed. This makes this a lot more open, makes the whole trailer into a living space. This has a full-size queen walk-around bed. Arctic Fox actually has, I believe, the very best mattress in the industry. If you've ever bought a trailer and were unsatisfied with the mattress, this might be one that will change your mind. And then look at all the storage under here. We also have a couple of camp chairs specially designed for Arctic Fox owners, and a special floor mat and some other stuff. They think of everything. Beautiful cabinets in the front, hanging storage. Here we go. Okay, now look up. We've got a high capacity exhaust fan. It's called a Fantastic fan. We've got 3 of these in this coach. We've got one here, one in the galley, and one in the bathroom. Arctic Foxes are the benchmark product for 4-season trailers and hand-built quality. That's why people always say, I'm looking at something else. Is it as good as a Fox? That's this trailer, what we're looking at right now. A couple other small details before we go outside. This trailer has dual pane glass. Dual pane glass means less condensation and much easier to control the temperature, whether it's extremely hot or extremely cold. Much better insulation, because windows are R1. They don't really insulate, so this is a lot better. Also has an R18 roof insulation, has a fully heated and enclosed holding tank and gate valve system. All of the plumbing is internal. When it gets really, really cold out, all you have to do to take care of this trailer is turn on the furnace and you're going to be just fine. I love these Arctic Foxes for that reason. I've been to the plant many, many times. I can tell you this is one of the very last fully independent companies in the industry. They hand manufacture their chassis, they hand mill their lumber. Everything they do is top notch. Look at an Arctic Fox before you spend your money and you'll be real happy. Let's go and look at the outside. Follow me. Okay, now on the outside we can see one thing right here. It has much larger compartment doors than most trailers. It's got much thicker doors than most trailers. So what we're doing here is we're insulating this inside compartment, which is right under your bed. You'd like to have a little bit of insulation under there. No heat transfer, no dust or moisture coming in because it's deeply gasketed. Has slam latch door locks, so it's really easy to close. You look around the front here, this is a really big deal to me. This is a full fiberglass end cap, gel coat fiberglass with a spray-on bedliner style rock guard that protects it from rock damage. And this whole enclosure protects your trailer from ever having a leak in the front. It's intended to really seal and enclose the entire front extremes. You still have gaskets and things to take care of, but this works much better. This is the best way to do a front end on a trailer. We have a power tongue jack. We have room for large batteries, also large propane tanks. Now if you buy from Guaranty, it comes with the propane, it comes with the batteries, it comes with all the pre-delivery services that people need to get on the road with their trailer. That's included here, no surprises, no surcharges. Now, this is solar ready, so I can connect a portable solar panel, but it already has a 20-watt solar panel on the roof to keep your batteries trickle charged and happy at all times, even when it's just sitting. Now, one thing I really want you to see on this trailer is the way this is built. It's got a big, nice external gasket here and nothing hanging up down under here. It's got a fully finished underbelly on its slide out. And these things have, like I said, tremendous insulation. The floors are insulated and everything. Here on the sides, we've actually got storage accesses that go up under the booth dinette, so I can get to them from the front, the top, or even the outside. Also, once again, you can notice the nice deep cabinets, the cabinet doors, how thick they are. Again, dual pane tinted glass. And then you see right here, satellite connectors, water connectors. Underneath here, you'll see that there's no gate valves at the end of your termination points for your wastewater. That's great, because if the gates are on the enclosure, then my external pipes stay empty all the time. That's a big part of a 4 Seasons trailer. You look on the back, you got this beautiful big beefy ladder. There's actually a storage rack up on top. Most trailers don't offer storage on the roof any longer. This is such a strong roof, it's fully walkable, and you can use that storage rack for additional cargo. You can use the ladder to maintain your roof, inspect your seals, take off debris, all that stuff. Listen, I've been selling Arctic Foxes since the day they came out, and I own one. I can't speak highly enough. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love to show you one of these in person or talk to you if you have any questions. Please feel free to call me. My name is Matt Elliott. You can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.